Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover Google Authenticator new method. So let's get started. So here we are in Google, and we have my other device right here. So let's say this is my phone, and this is where I want to log in my Google Authenticator. So I don't have any means of logging in right here, so maybe I forgot my passcode or whatsoever that would prevent me from logging in here in Google Authenticator in my phone. So the first thing you need is a second device aside from the phone that you want to log in. So this is my second device. It's a PC, but you can also do the same steps that I'm doing here into mobile phone, tablet, or whatsoever, as long as you can access your Google account from there. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is you want to go for google.com or maybe just Gmail, as long as you would be able to click on your profile and click on manage your Google account right here. So you want to click on manage your Google account, and then from here what you basically need to do is click on security next right here on the left side of your screen. And then from here what we're going to do is that we're going to scroll down until we see the authenticator button right here. So you would need to search for this one. So yeah, once you have found this, then you would need to click on this one right here. So click on that right there. And now once you are here in the Authenticator app, if you have an Authenticator app or Google Authenticator registered to this Google account, then you should be seeing something right here like change your Authenticator app right there. So you want to click on that. And in my case, as you can see, I don't have one, so I'm just gonna click on this, and basically we're just gonna be seeing the same thing right here. Instead, you will be changing your Authenticator app, but mine is basically adding it, but it's basically the same. So all you have to do now is basically go into your phone, and then from here go into Google Authenticator app and click on this plus sign button. So click on that and click on scan a QR code, and then all that's left now is basically scan this one and you should be all set. So now once you have successfully scanned the QR code and now you have set up your account, you should be able to see that your Authenticator app has now been linked into your Google account, and you can see it right here now on your phone wherein you want to log in your Google Authenticator. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.